How to pin all chat to the top in WhatsApp on your iPhone. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First of all, launch the WhatsApp on your iPhone. Once you have launched your WhatsApp, here on the bottom you can see the chat option. Just go and tap on the chat option. Once you are on your chat option, you have to find the chat. Look at the chat that you want to pin. It could be an individual or a group chat. And after that, on the chat if you want to pin that chat, you have to just swipe right here. So you have to just swipe right and go for the more option. Once you are on your more option, if you find the pin conversation, you can just go for that here. So if you don't find your pin conversation, just go here, and here you have to tap on that and just go for that conversation. Once you are here, if you find any pin conversation, just go for the pin conversation. So here you can see that you can't pin your chat on your WhatsApp for individuals. So if you want to pin your group, just scroll down and find your group, and you have to swipe it right and go for the more option. And if you find the pin option, here, just go for that. So here you only can pin your message, not your chat. Just go for the one of the message here and just go long press on that. Once you have long press on that, here you can see the pin option. Just go for the pin option. So that's it, how you can do that. I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.